車回して無限の未来へ飛び込んで G.O.T
Hi guys, back again in my channel. So this time a little bit different because actually I just bought the 3D printer recently, and then I decided to get the Bambu Lab A1 with the AMS. So today is first time I'm doing the unboxing of this Bambu Lab, and then hopefully it's not as difficult that I thought. So hopefully it's not complicated. So this is what it looks like inside the box. So since I bought the one with AMS, so it's called Bambu Lab A1 combo, so it's pretty nice. Let's take a look what inside the box. Okay guys, before we continue the video, I want to introduce to you guys that one website that recently I'm using. It's called remember.com. I'm using this website to reach more source for Super Sentai toys hunting, and it's very easy to use. Just like you see that we don't have to type in Japanese, but we can type in English, and then it can automatically translate, and we can show the listing, and once we click to each item we can see, for example, if it's bidding, then we can bid this item. From my experience, it's really easy to use. And then if you guys want to hunt for more Super Sentai item, please make sure that you check their website using the link in the descriptions below, and happy hunting guys. So first of all, what we got here is some kind of the base plate. So I believe this is the one where the result of the 3D printer is came out. And next one is I'm trying to take a look about each AMS roller. I think this is called roller. So if you guys bought this, please check the side of the box, because it's located at the side, I think. So we got the 4 roller since I have the AMS versions, the combo one, so we can have at least up to 4 color, I believe, for this model. And actually for this Bambu one, I'm still not sure how to use, so hopefully they also include that in the manual book. So first of all, I think what I need to do is take this out, everything from inside the box first. So this is more or less what does it looks like. Okay, so this one is the AMS. I think this one is the AMS, and then later on we need to put the roller on the side. So this is how it looks like. And next one is we got some cables, and luckily I bought the cable that already compatible to the power outlet. Okay, so I'm not sure what is this one. Then next is, okay, so I guess this one is the normal hands if you don't buy the AMS versions. Okay, so most of the item is already outside the box right now. Let's take a look what inside the package. We have some kind of the bonus pla, and also we have some kind of the tube. I'm not sure what is this one, some kind of the knobs, and we have the accessories. I think maybe some kind of the screw and some of the lubricants. And actually when I bought this Bambu Lab A1 with AMS combo, I also get 1 box of the pla, but in addition I also get another one just in case, because this is first time. I don't know like how much the pla that included in the package, but when you guys try to buy this Bambu Lab A1, please check your local deal whether it's included with the pla or not. I thought that some of the model is included with the color matching key or something. This is just to know like what color of the pla that you need to use, some kind of the sample, but I don't get it in my package. So maybe I think it's like the promotion is different time to time. So this one is what we got inside the box. I'm checking the manual right now. Kind of a lot of accessories included inside the box, but I think the manual book is pretty user friendly, even though you don't have any experience before with the 3D printer. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to take off this screw. So the axis, I think the hands of the printing can be, let's say, can be used. So we need to unlock that first. So release the screw, and we need to combine the base plate to the main body. And this one is the base plate, and it's still using some kind of the a plastic lock, a cable ties, and then I already take that off. And then now the next step is to attach the base plate for the printing into the main body of the base plate. I'm still not sure what to call this, but anyhow, we need to combine these two together like this. So 45-degree, we need to put it inside, and okay, so it's already, most of it is already attached. And next I'm going to change my camera position a little bit, and let's see like what we need to do next. So this all step by step is actually already included in the manual, so you don't have to worry. From my experience assembling this, it's not so much complicated. It's pretty easy, even though I never experienced with the 3D printer before. So I think the Bambu Lab A1 combo, especially with the AMS versions, if your budget is allowed, I think it's a pretty cool options, or I think it's a pretty good decision for me to take. And basically we need to put some screw first. So this stuff, this AMS A1 is pretty much is already assembled, but some of the screw, just like you see over here, we need to tighten up some of the parts, but I think it's not a big deal, and then it's not so much difficulties. All the tools that required to assemble this is already included in the package, so I think you don't have to worry about the tools. And I think the build quality is also pretty good. And like the mark you can see over here, like the green mark they put especially into the holes that you need to screw, it's pretty obvious, and then it's pretty clear, so you don't have to worry. Okay, I already put the screw in, and then now I'm gonna put the cover of the base plate back. Actually I need to lubricant this before, I don't know, like before use we need to lubricant this or not, but at least for the first try I didn't put any lubricant, but next time I'm gonna put the lubricant just to ensure. Next is what we need to do is we need to connect the cable between the let's say the printing hands with the base plate. And at this time I found a little bit challenges, because actually you guys can see that this white and black wire is running at the bottom of the cover, and I take some time to figure it out how to attach this properly. At least I don't want to the cable to be pinched and then it's broken, or the cable is let's say it's broke, it's damaged. So I'm taking some time, but it's not too long, like 5 to 10 minutes I figured this out. But you guys can see in the video, you guys can use my video as a reference. So I figured out at last that the white and black cable, if you see from this side, it needs to be on the right side, and then there is some kind of the holes that it can run through it, so it looks like this. So I think this one is the correct way. And then also the connector is already color coded, so it's not so much difficulties to connect this. And next, okay, so what is this? This one is, I think, some kind of the I think the plug cutter, not the plug cutter, but some kind of the cleaner or something. So I need to attach this on the side, on the right side, I believe. So I need to take off this cutter, the cable tie first, using some kind of plier, and then I gonna attach this. And this one is also need to be a screw in, so I need to be careful to find the screw, which one is for tighten this part. So everything is already color coded, otherwise it's already coded, so you don't have to worry. And now I'm taking the AMS part and then I'm trying to connect this together. So I'm just thinking like why this AMS part is separated. So I think it's better to put on the top of this 3D printer so it doesn't take another footprint. So I have very limited space in my studio, so I gonna find a way to let's say attach this on the top of the 3D printer. So if you guys have any experience about the Bambu Lab, so please let me know in the comment sections what is the best way to deal with this AMS hands. Okay, so we have the white plug. Okay, maybe it is not so much, but I already connect all the cable over here. So guys, this also please pay attention. I think I'm not sure like if we wrongly attach the cable, what's happened, the tube I mean, but I take times to take a look and then I make sure that the right ends connect to the correct let's say the feeder for the plug. And then okay, next is a time to connect this. There's a connector on the back, and then based on the manual book that there are connectors left and right, whichever you use is okay. Then this one is I'm trying to attach this on the top because this is for the, I think this one is for this, if you don't have the AMS you can do it like this way. Okay, now is the calibration time. Calibration time really takes time. I think it's, I don't know, like 20-30 minutes I spend, or maybe around 20 minutes. Just I felt that it's a pretty long time. It takes to calibrate one by one. As you can see that once we start the process, it's going to move by itself. It's making a movement left and right, top to bottom, and then they're gonna calibrate like one dot at one time. So it's pretty very cool. I think it's very detailed, and then most of this adjustment is very automatic, so we don't have to do anything except to wait this process to be finished. So I'm still thinking like what I'm gonna do, what kind of project that I'm gonna do with this 3D printer, but hopefully I can use it very well. And what I want to do with this 3D printer, one thing for sure is I want to make a special playlist for this, my journey to learn about the 3D printing. So please feel free if you got any suggestions or something, please let me know in the comment sections. But I'm choosing the Bambu Lab because I think that I got some review from the internet, from the YouTube, and also some of the fellow YouTubers suggest me to get this Bambu Lab A1 because it's user friendliness and easiness to use. So I'm decided to do this, choose this model for my first 3D printer. Okay, so now it's time to print, and then I don't have any idea what to print now, but I decided to print a scraper because it's very easy to use. I'm gonna use this anyway, so I decided to print the scraper first. And for the scraper itself, it's not so much, not too long to print this one. So all the time duration estimation is mentioned on the screen, so it's really user friendly. I really appreciate how they design the model, so it's really easy to use for the beginner just like me. And okay, now it's already starting and we can see how it works. It's going to clean up some of the printer head. I think this is called printer head. So some of the plug is already cleaned up and then ejected outside. I don't know how to call this, but yeah, the machine is already start printing and it's going to take a while, so I'm gonna leave that printer for a while, and then I'm going to watch some YouTube video or some series while waiting for my 3D printer to working. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So this footage going to take for a while, maybe a couple seconds. So if you want to see how does it work, you can wait for this scene, but I'm gonna show you what is the result in a moment. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. 8 minutes remaining, and let's see. So it's still, after a couple minutes, it's still moving. I don't know like whether this one is the first printing, so it's taking time, or every time I need to print something it's going to calibrate like this. So if you guys know something about this one or compared to the other model, please let me know in the comment sections. And I cannot wait for my first 3D printer result, so let's see. Okay, so this is my first result of 3D printing. I'm really proud. So I think that's all for today's video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.